ThatsKeAndra, and I'm back with another video. And this video is going to be a long-awaited unboxing, you guys. I finally got the MacBook Air, so I'm going to unbox it with you all. So if you want to see what mine looks like, then stay tuned. Okay, so this is the box. It just came today. Today is actually my birthday when I'm filming this, y'all. I work. It don't matter if it's my birthday. I had to get these videos off. I have so many videos to film after this one, but I wanted to go ahead and use my computer, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox this first. I don't know when y'all will actually see this though, but probably after, I don't know, y'all are gonna see this video, but by the time y'all see this video I've already used it. But I wanted to do a first unboxing with you guys because I can't wait to like learn some new editing techniques, and I also got a camera too, so stay tuned for that video. But yeah, so here is my MacBook Air. Thumbnail. Okay, cool. It comes like this. Now I got mine from Best Buy and I got an open book. So basically what that means is that basically it's kind of like, it's not used, it's like maybe someone got it and then they didn't want it, so they sent it back, and so they marked the pricing down. But it says it doesn't have any damages and all of that, so hopefully it'll be good. But it was like $100 cheaper to get the open book instead of just buying a brand new one. So I'm going to open it so you guys can see if I figure out how to open it without ripping the box. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, so here it is. Take the box off. Okay, so now that I've opened it, what you get, here is my laptop right here. It is super duper thin. It's not super heavy, it's kind of lightweight. Right off the back, I will show you guys that there's a little bit of scuffs, but I'm pretty sure I could just wipe that off. I don't know if it's like a scuff. I don't see any scratches though. No scratches, just a little scuff, as if maybe like something rubbed against it. But that's literally all I see is that one little scuff, and I could probably get something and wipe that off. So I'm gonna put this here, and then inside you get your charger block, and then the actual charger, the stickers for the laptop, and then let me see, because I don't see like a booklet or something supposed to come with it. Oh, Lord. Okay, hold on. Well, maybe not, because this doesn't come up. Okay, well, I don't get any instructions or anything, but I mean, it's a laptop. I'm not slow. I don't really care about that, but I did get the stickers, which I'm happy about, and I do have my charger, and that's right there. So let's get into the actual computer. So I got the MacBook Air. This is the 13, hold on, I'm reading because I really don't remember. The 13.3 MacBook Air 13.3 laptop. And like I said before, I got it from Best Buy, and I got it in the, what's this, the something gray, whatever the gray color is. They didn't have a silver, or I would have preferred the silver. However, I'm probably going to get a cover, so it doesn't really matter. Super duper thin and lightweight. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. Again, great condition, and it opened up and it's brand new. I didn't even have to turn it on, but it comes ready for me to put all my information in. And yeah, it does have the little touch screen.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the escape key.
See, I ain't even gotta do nothing. I can just use my voice and it set up the whole Mac for me. So I'm happy about that. Not missing any keys. It's not dirty. Any of that. Like, y'all, I'm so happy. So yeah, I'm going to set up my Mac. I just wanted to open it with you guys so you guys can see my computer. I can't wait to start playing Sims. Like, I'm so hyped. I need to take another thumbnail. Okay, and yeah, this video is super duper short. I just want to show you guys it and show you guys that it does come okay. If you were ever worried about buying an open box computer, I read a lot of reviews on it before I bought it, and yeah, I decided to go with this option so I wasn't breaking the bank. And honestly, so far I'm happy with my purchase. If something were to happen, I will keep you guys updated on it if y'all do want to see an update on this computer. But yeah, this is it, and happy birthday to me, and this is my MacBook Air. I want to thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye guys.